Little Ladoos! Welcome to Little Ladoo's Craft Box. Today we're going to be making Little Ladoo with an orange. Watch and learn how I do it, and then you can try making one too. You will need pretzel sticks, a cashew, 2 pink circular candies like rockets, 3 small green candies or sprinkles, 2 chocolate chips, a knife, make sure a parent helps you with that, a black marker, an orange, and white icing. Let's get started! That was fun! Maybe you can try making Little Ladoo too. If you don't have an orange, try drawing and coloring a picture of her. Send us a photo if you do. Thanks for watching Little Ladoo's Craft Box. Make sure to like, comment, follow, and subscribe to Little Ladoo for more videos like this one. See you next time! Bye!